Meanwhile, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley's outreach has failed to cut the ice with the already miffed TDP, unhappy with the Finance Minister's statement in Parliament on the inadequate allocation of funds for Andhra Pradesh. Party President and the State Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has claimed the centre was making Andhra Pradesh feel as if it's not part of India. Naidu immediately called for an emergency meeting with all the MPs to discuss the future strategy.
The rift between TDP and BJP has widened and there's no scope for things cooling down anytime soon. In fact, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley's outreach to the TDP has failed to cut any ice, with the TDP leader Chandrababu Naidu directing all his party MPs to continue with their protests in the parliament as well. In fact, Chandrababu Naidu also saying that this is mainly on account of the BJP not fulfilling their promises during the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh. Remember, there are three big concerns that the TDP has raised. They are, reaching out to the centre on account of insufficient funds being given to Andhra Pradesh post the bifurcation, the promises not being made during that time, and also they're asking for a special package that they were expecting to come in the union budget. And despite Finance Minister Arun Jaitley just yesterday telling all the TDP MPs that funds have been allocated to Andhra Pradesh and more funds will follow in the times to come. Looks like this is not something that the TDP is buying. In fact, remember, this is also coming in at a time when Andhra Pradesh will be going to polls next year and TDP is not leaving anything to chance. In fact, this also puts the YSR Congress in a spot. Apart from that, we understand, in fact, many political pundits believe that this is not the time where TDP may call off alliance with the BJP. What instead they will do is to keep the pressure on the BJP at this point of time. In fact, also needs to be watched out as to how things will pan out in the future, and also given the fact that Andhra Pradesh goes to polls next year, probably we may see that alliance being called off only closer to that time, not anytime soon, but TDP maintaining their pressure on the BJP.
That's the latest as far as the TDP being miffed with the government goes. As Maldives